never knew all the leaves could turn bitter. A couch laid for two and a chill from the winter. A head full of clouds on a hill under skies. Been there forever, never thought to ask why. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. No surprise. Close your eyes. What could be done? Have we both become brittle? A bed made for one, we could stay for a little. A room full of noise that we don't recognize. We've been here forever, now we've run out of time. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. No surprise.